Hi everyone and welcome to Fotopia Capture tutorial series. In this video, I'll show you the QA or quality assurance step. Click on the batch and then click on indexing to view the data inserted in the index fields, and then click on thumbs to view all the documents in this batch in thumbnail view. This icon enables me to either view all the documents or only the ones that require verification. As you can see, only 2 documents require verification because this batch was previously configured to only have 50% of its documents verified, so the system randomly selected these 2 documents to be verified. If you wish to have all the documents in the same batch verified, then you will have to make an adjustment in the batch class settings to 100%. To verify this document, click on this icon. The index fields appear on the right, and the page appears here. If you have ensured that the indexing has been done correctly, click on this icon to mark this document as qualified. And now the gauge has been updated to indicate that only 1 document out of 2 remains to be verified. Back to the thumbnail view, I will click on the remaining document that requires verification. Once again, I will compare the inserted values to the ones appearing in the document, and assuming the indexing has been done correctly, I will mark this document as qualified as well, and now the QA step has been completed for this batch, and no more documents require verification. Click on Process, and all the documents in this batch will be exported to SharePoint. Now there are no pending tasks for this batch. In another video, I will be explaining the second and more common scenario where you would find errors in one document or more and might even possibly have to reject the batch. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.